So in the control servlet.java file, it has a lot of functions, but the most important one is this do get. With from the web page, it'll get a request from the web page, and then it'll send a response. So here in the switch, depending on which action is performed, it will call a function. So if it's new, the action is like for a new something new. If it says new, it'll say show new form. If you do the action insert, this will insert people into that table. Then you can delete, edit, and so depending on what the case is, it'll perform that function using the request and response. And here, this is the function that lists the people, also has a request and response from the web page. Here's the one that shows the new form. This is how you edit this one. You can edit the form, the attributes in the form. And so, yeah, so each action has each function has what you can do. Here, this is what gets the name, the address, the status uh, from when the user inputs the information. This is what's setting it to the name, address, and status, whatever the user inputted. And here it's going into people DAO. So yeah, each function does what the name of it does. This one updates all the people. This one will delete people if the user wants to delete the ID. So for people.java, this function or this Java file it contains all of the functions for keeping track of the people. This is like these are the variables. This gets the ID, and this is the get pretty common get set here. Get set. So this gets the information that the user inputted, and then we'll output it, and we'll set the variables equal to what the user inputted. The DAO file here is what this I have this connect. This is what connects it to MySQL workbench. You're just calling variables here, initializing them to null. This will list all the people, and here it sets the strings equal to the name, address, and status for whatever the user inputted. And yeah, if it disconnects, what happens if it disconnects? It'll close it. Um, so yeah, that's this function for list.jsp. This is where this is the kind of like HTML file. This is what does like the formatting, and so here this is naming that web page, and this is the